Hello everyone, here is Hel from Conscious Rebhell, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a very simple curry. It is the peas. I call it the Bombay potatoes and peas curry. Very simple to make with plenty of spices and is absolutely delicious. Let's see how to make it in no time. So the first thing that you want to do for this recipe is just to put a bit of oil in a pan. That was not a bit, that was a bit too much. Switch under the pan on a low flame, and when the oil is hot enough, you can add the cumin seeds and the mustard seeds and just leave them to cook for about 1-2 minutes. Then add the onions to the pan. Best sound in the world. Stir them well, leave them to cook for about 5 minutes. Then, while you are waiting for the onions to cook, you can put in a little blender the tomato, the garlic and the ginger. And process these until you will get a kind of a paste. Of course, every now and then just scrape the side of the blender and process a little bit more. This is the kind of consistency that you want. Now back to the onions. You can add to the pan the tomato paste, the turmeric and the coriander, the cayenne pepper, the cumin and the garam masala. Mix everything very well. Leave the flame to a minimum. Leave it to slowly cook for another 5 minutes. At this point you can add the potatoes and the water. Just mix them well, cover it with a lid and leave it to cook for about 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, as you can see, the water is starting to reduce, so you can add the peas, the salt, give a very good stir, cover again and leave it to cook for another 12 minutes. Check every now and then that the water is not completely disappearing, because otherwise it will burn. If you see that there is not enough water, just add a tiny bit of water at a time until you reach the end of the 12 minutes. You will have a nice and creamy curry by the end of these 12 minutes. Okay, after the 12 minutes have passed, you can switch off under the pan, and this is the final result. Very nice and creamy curry. You will love it. You can just place it in a nice serving plate, sprinkle with a bit of fresh coriander, a bit of lemon juice on the top. This is so delicious, you guys, so delicious. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you have any other idea or any other things that you would like to see on this channel. I have an Instagram profile too and Facebook one too. So if you'd like to follow me over there, Instagram might give a little bit more hints about my life, so you can see a bit more. Please subscribe even to TV Studio UK channel that I will leave the link down below. He's my husband and he's the one that is filming every single time. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.